The general construction of the methodology that we are here trying to test and introduce for the youth workers basically consists of 4 bubbles or 4 modules. So the first one is something that we would call the inner mechanics, and it is related to how a person is constructed within. And there are 3 methods that help us to discover that. Then we have another module which is related to communication, because we feel that the communication skills are both important for them to always operate nicely in a job environment, but then also to be able to communicate with one another and communicate within. So the second module is communications, and we have a number of activities there. Then we have a module which is straightforward into the market strategy, and then we invite youngsters to evolve and go deeper into different elements of labor market. But then the 4th module is also for us to see the youngsters, or for them to see that value is not only based on what we have in our pockets. And we have this tension often with the labor market trying to impose on us our value, monetizing value, but then we would like to also make sure that the people whom we support understand that value in general is not what they earn, but what they have within. So these are the 4 modules, and in which of the module we propose 3 activities, and all in total they make up over 12 methods set that we produced during this training course, and we've been tasting it during this training course, and then we'll be using it and evolving it further. Module number 1, self-discovery, consists of 3 methods, and these 3 methods are 4 colors. Method number 1 of them is 4 colors, then the self-value matrix, and then the wheel of values. So these are the 3 methods we introduce in this module. Then in the other second module related to communication, we have the zoom out activity, the ice towers activity, and the coaching interview activity. In the module number 3 related to market strategy, we have the grid checker, the pink glasses activity, and the learning process colp cycle activity. And then in module number 4, where we have the value-driven actions, we have an activity which is called Start Aware. Then we have the experiences into achievements activity, and then the motivation escalators. And these make the matrix of the 12 methods, and we'll tell you now how each method works. The entire set of 12 methods we feel also divided into the 4 modules gives us the possibility to actually give some impact for young people to feel more comfortable in the labor market that they will be going forward to. And the trainers or facilitators using the methodology that we propose, we will also equip you with the progress tracker. So each participant, if you would like to do the whole model of 12 methods, will have a sheet of paper in which they will be able to track. From every method, there is a small result that they can collect as a diamond of success. And if they go through all the 12, they will have a 1 A4 sheet of paper in which they have written, I have collected knowledge, I have collected courage, I have collected information about the theory, I have collected this, I have collected that. So this is something that is very helpful for the youngsters to track and see that they are also gaining something from these activities. And of course, for the methodology, we proposed a little set of evaluations. So we provide a test in which the participants, they track to what level they have grasped the knowledge, the skills, or the attitudes that we want to introduce through this methodology. We hope you find it useful. We hope you can test it. We are very open for amendments, for creative checking, for different approaches of using this method or the set of methods. And if you feel that something is missing, please contact us. We'll be ready and happy to have it grow. If you feel while using this methodology that you have used it and you have some nice success, please also share with us so that we know it's not only us, but somebody else in Europe is using it and has some good experience. This will also motivate us a lot to continue doing this kind of projects.